address one or two of the other issues. I would agree with Judge Kane that I think this does satisfy the single issue requirement. The title board is not to either approve or disapprove of the initiative. Obviously, we don't express any opinion as to the subject matter of the initiative, but whether or not it simply meets the requirements to move forward. And I think given the decision of the district court and given the changes to this petition, I think it does meet the requirements to move forward.
And I concur with both of you all. There's some discussion in our office too. It does meet it.
Hey, and I guess, Mr. Bertram, I'm happy you're the representative of the initiative. Do you have any thoughts for this board as to how you want to title this initiative?
No, I think the way that you've discussed this, it does meet the single subject. So I appreciate your input. Personally, having been in this town for 41 years, and this I hope is off the record, although it doesn't have to be.
And I'm afraid it has to be on the record, Mr. Bertram.
On several records.
Yeah,
Cone's record as well as the.
Yeah, I think trying to stimulate the economy of a small business owner for 34 years, I think this would stimulate the economy. It would help small business. And I'm concerned about senior citizens, of which right now, I read in the Gazette 85% of senior citizen-owned homes are getting hit with increased costs of Medicare, Medicaid, et cetera, and increased water costs is going to be tremendous the next 12 years. This is done for people like myself, senior citizens on fixed income. And I think it would encourage business if we want to make this business, according to the mayor, Mr. Cox, attractive. I think if you would eliminate this taxes, I don't think it's going to hurt the city. That's my personal feeling. I think it would bring business and it would help senior citizens. So that's why I got involved with it. I wasn't in on the initial discussion of how this all went down. I know it's taken a while, and I appreciate your efforts. And I'm not a lawyer, I don't profess to be, but I have been around this community for a while, and I felt in the last minute Roger had to take his vacation. So.
And please understand, Mr. Bertram, that we don't take, our job here is not to take a position as to whether or not this is a great initiative. We just need to make sure that when it goes to the public, that it is clear to them what they're voting on. And that's really the purpose here, to make sure that they know what the issue is before them. And in that light, the initiative may be short enough that it could be its own title. I'm certainly willing to hear from my cohorts on the board, but do we need to place a separate title besides the one-line sentence?
I guess I'll ask our new city clerk, do you think, I mean, just in terms of space, do you think we need to have something that says repeal of city property tax or elimination of city property tax?
It's just the petition title, but the
ballot language.
The actual ballot title would be different than this.
This is just the title for going on the circulating petition that the individuals will sign. It's not the ballot language, as stated. It's not the ballot language. That will be,
that could be said at a later time.
Exactly.
So we're not
this is just what's printed on the blank signature pages that they will then circulate out to get the 27,000 signatures, right?
Okay. Well, yes. I'm inclined to agree with Judge Kane that since it is a short initiative and it seems like a single sentence could be at the top of the petition, they then go out to seek signatures. I'm not sure if it requires an additional title, but it's